What's up everyone? I'm Diana and welcome to Crypto Moon. And today we're going to talk about another high potential project called SeatlabNFT. But before we begin, please notice our disclaimer, since I'm not a financial advisor, so this video is for informational and educational purposes only. So without further ado, let's get right to it. SeatlabNFT is new, more equitable ticketing. An NFT event ticketing platform that helps artists build stronger relationships with fans while minimizing the impact of scalping. The major times in our life are defined by extraordinary experiences. Fans' live event experiences are enhanced with SeatlabNFT, which puts them closer to their favorite musicians. The legacy ticketing business has destroyed the experience, driven by greed, tormented by touts, and dehumanized by bots. Artists, fans, and brands are not served by the present system. We have a unique chance to rebalance the live events sector and generate meaningful value for everyone involved because to the power of Web3. NFT airdrops of items that may be resold to ticket holders. To collect free unique goodies from the rewards center, hold $seat. Get paid from secondary sales with royalty splits. Cap resale price with price ceilings. NFT, NFC, and SeatlabNFT wallet, the technology we use to stop fraud and counterfeiting. Ticketing in the future. Increased visibility, control, and ownership traceability. Royalty splits, built-in awards, resale price ceilings, and other features can be programmed into next-generation event tickets. The rules are set by you. Purchasing and selling tickets is simple. The SeatlabNFT Marketplace makes purchasing NFT tickets and other assets simple and easy. Even the most crypto-averse event-goers may easily switch from conventional ticketing platforms thanks to an integrated fiat-on off-ramp and straightforward user interface. In minutes, you may create a SeatlabNFT wallet. To purchase tickets and other NFT assets, you'll need a SeatlabNFT wallet. You'll be ready to make your first purchase in no time if you create a login and verify your phone number. Sell your valuables online. You may sell any near-based NFT collectible as well as any NFT tickets you no longer require on our secondary marketplace. Customize your profile and notifications. Don't be distracted by time wasters. You're in control of which offers you want to be notified of. Dismantling obstacles. The traditional ticketing market has destroyed the live event experience, driven by greed, tormented by touts, and dehumanized by bots. Hashtag. Artists and fans are not served by the present system. Big tech, streaming services, ticket touts, and low royalties have all strained the bond between artists and fans. Artists require more than simply ticket sales to create a fan base. They must establish an emotional and personal bond with their followers. Overpriced tickets, a bad pre- and post-show atmosphere, and a lack of acknowledgement have all plagued fans. Driven by the power of Web3, SeatlabNFT re-established the relationship between events and attendees. No bots. No touts. Capped resale value. Immersive fan experience. Make contact with your followers. SeatlabNFT assists musicians in building stronger and more important ties with their audience. Artists, event organizers, and fans may now produce actual wealth in new ways thanks to blockchain technology. NFT tickets may be combined with one-of-a-kind digital assets and experiences to provide unrivaled value to all parties involved. Carbon neutral, high impact. Without damaging the environment, NEAR is removing the hurdles to Web3 adoption. NEAR's climate-neutral blockchain allows us to expand responsibly thanks to high transaction speeds, minimal fees, and a progressive development environment. No cryptocurrency. No worries. Due to an integrated fiat-on off-ramp and a thoroughly proven user experience, purchasers may seamlessly transition from traditional Web2 ticketing services. Buyers may pay with a credit or debit card, just like they would for any other online transaction. $seat is your access key to our kingdom. We're creating long-term value with various utility, from unlocking exclusive experiences in the rewards center to staking payouts and reduced marketplace fees. The Reward Center is where $Seat holders can claim access to exclusive special events, releases and other perks for free. Holders will earn points for the number of $Seat tokens held and for the period of time the holder has held them. There are 3 different tiers, with the higher tiers containing more valuable rewards. Holders who stake their $Seat tokens will receive a staking payout. Staking payouts come from the fee buyers pay on all sales made through our marketplace. Half of all collected buyers' fees are always paid out as staking rewards, the remainder goes to the SeatlabNFT treasury. You may fund your wallet with a credit or debit card thanks to an integrated fiat on-off ramp. It's as simple as making any other internet transaction. After you've funded your wallet, you may convert fiat to Seat in a few simple steps. Tokenomics. Max supply. 845 million. Airdrops. 8,450,000, 1%. Founders team. 169 million, 20%. Founders, 1.25Y lock, daily unlock for 36 months. Team, 1Y lock, daily unlock for 30 months. Treasury. 80,275,000, 9.5%. 3-month lock, daily unlock for 12 months. Pre-sale investors. Pre-sale lockup. Hashtag. IDO. 109,850,000, 13%. 10% TGE. Daily unlock for 12 months. 4,225,000, 0.5%. 25% TGE. Daily unlock for 3 months. Seed round. Hashtag. Hashtag. Strategic partnerships. Hashtag. Hashtag. Advisors and marketing. Hashtag. Hashtag. Community and ecosystem. 50,700,000, 6%. 5% TGE. Daily unlock for 18 months. Hashtag. 50,700,000, 6%. 6M lock, daily unlock for 15 months. Hashtag. 76,050,000, 9%. 9M lock, daily vesting for 12 months. Hashtag. 295,750,000, 35%. Daily unlock for 60 months. And this are the partners of SeatlabNFT. Near, Big Brain Holding, Citation Capital, Big and many more. Meet the team. SeatlabNFT team has built and scaled products for some of the world's biggest Web 2 and Web 3 companies. Hashtag. We've previously worked for the likes of Kraken, HSBC, BBC, Pepsi Company, and more. Ryan Kenny. Founder and CEO. Jack Waterfield. Founder and Creative Director. Ryan T. Technical Director. Daryl. Head of Frontend. Evany. Senior Backend Developer. And this is the roadmap of SeatlabNFT. Phase 1. Planning and user research. Team expansion. Seed and private token sale. Start development of NFT ticket wallet and marketplace. And all of the Phase 1 plan is completed. Phase 2. $Seat token IDO. Event creator grant applications open. NFT ticketing marketplace launch. NFT ticket mobile wallet launch. Brand partnerships and rewards center launch. Phase 3. Mass onboarding. Token staking portal release. Large-scale launch events. Start Phase 2 platform development. And let's take a look for the social media updates of SeatlabNFT. Taking part in the Seat token IDO on at Skyward Finance. Couldn't be simpler. All you need to do is own a Near wallet with some Near tokens and you're ready to invest when it goes live on the 24th of May. SeatlabNFT joined Twitter back on November 2010 and now have 15.3k followers. So that's all for Seatlabs. Come visit our channel, subscribe, and watch out for our next videos here at Crypto Moon.